Hello everyone, and welcome if you're new here. If you're a current subscriber or have seen my videos before, welcome back. My name's Adriana. I am a certified personal trainer, and here on my YouTube channel I do cooking videos, at home and gym workouts, and I talk about PCOS. And today we're going to be making one of my favorite wraps. It's going to be a chicken wrap. I love making it during the summer, plus it's a great and easy snack to make. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I have my chicken in the bowl. And why did I put the spices so far away? Gotta grab them. So I have my chicken here in the bowl. What I'm gonna do is pour some olive oil over it. This is like chicken breast and a half. I don't really know what to call that piece, but it was together. So, and I'm gonna add in a little bit of lemon pepper, as well as some Italian seasoning. Go ahead and mix that around. Make sure we get both sides coated. Do the same thing on this side. Add some lemon pepper and Italian seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and you could use this right away if you want, but what I'm gonna do is let it marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now that our chicken's been marinated, we're gonna go ahead, heat up a pan or a skillet, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna sear the chicken on each side for a minute. Then once we're done searing it, we're gonna put it into a baking sheet and into the oven for about 20 minutes. Just gonna go ahead and put our chicken, stabbed it too much, right in there. Again, we're gonna let this cook on each side for 1 minute. And as that's searing, I have my pan on the side lined with foil, ready to go and get popped in the oven. The reason I'm searing it on first before putting it in the oven is just because it's be faster to cook in the oven without drying out the outside, so then it gets cooked in the inside. So it keeps the chicken nice and moist. Now it's been a minute, we're going to turn that off and take our chicken and put it onto our baking pan. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. While that chicken is baking, I'm gonna use a head of romaine lettuce. I sound so out of it today, I don't know why. It's probably one of those weird days. I think we all have one of those weird days, we're just kind of out of it for no reason. And today is that day, out of all days of the week. But anyways, we're gonna use a head of romaine lettuce. I already cut off that stem. And we're gonna get into thin slices, like so. Have a straining bowl ready to go. I find it so much easier doing it this way instead of first washing the leaves. And then cutting them. I could just cut them like this and then wash them. Especially since I'm using the whole head. Alrighty. And put them into our straining bowl. And then we're gonna go and wash them. Wash, wash, wash. Alright. Be back after I wash this and the chicken's done so I could put everything together. Alrighty, now that the chicken's been baked and I let it cool off for a bit, we're gonna go ahead and slice it up. I'm gonna slice it along its width. Okay, chicken is cut. I have a plate right here. Now, normally I use gluten-free tortillas, however you decide to say it, but they didn't have it available at the time when I was shopping. So I opted in for this one. Suspension herb, high fiber, less in carbs. Before we put our chicken on there, we need our lettuce. For this video, I'll be making one wrap. Put some lettuce on there. Then I'll make more wraps for my meal prep. And go ahead, put our chicken on there. I usually like to measure out to be about 3 ounces of chicken. But for the sake of this video, I won't be measuring and weighing my food. I also like to use a plant-based Caesar dressing on top, but it kind of sucks that this bottle is glass because it won't come out. Can't squeeze it out. I have to like wait for this thing to make its way down. There, come on. Oh, it's not gonna look like a pretty demonstration. Ah. And then, before you eat it, you clearly want to wrap it like this. I don't really know how to do the tuck and roll, but there you go. Pretty simple, easy. Of course, you have the leftover chicken, leftover lettuce, so you could actually make quite a few of these wraps for 2-3 days. Or you could just use the lettuce towards the salad and the chicken towards the salad as well. And now that our chicken Caesar wrap is finished, it's time for the taste test. It's gonna be a little pocket on one side so it doesn't fall out. Clearly I'm not a professional rapper, that's fine. I love it. I'm so happy I made this. I'm gonna have it for the next couple of days as one of my meals. It's absolutely delicious. Again, it's high in protein. It has a lot of fiber in it as well. It's quick and easy to make, and it's something they could make in a bulk and have throughout the week. So it's an easy way to meal prep. And wow, I'm losing track of my thoughts today. Apparently, whenever I record, I lose track of my thoughts, I've noticed. I don't know why. Maybe I'm still camera shy. Possibly. But if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this of easy meals you could cook or incorporate into your week, go ahead and like and subscribe. That we could keep up to date with future videos as well as any workouts and any topics about PCOS that I'll be posting. Again, thank you for showing support, and I'll see you in the next one.